Whoa, that was a massive sneeze. Did you hear that one? Mate, you barely sneezed. Like I didn't even hear a sneeze. Yeah, I know. I just hold it in. Like I hold it in really, really tight. I've literally not ever done a stereotypical sneeze since I was 6 years old. I just hold it in, bury it deep inside. I wonder what would happen if you actually just let the sneeze happen. I bet it'd be much healthier. You'd release a lot of tension. Yeah, to be honest, I am always stressed, aren't I? Maybe it helps. Just release it. Just sneeze normally. Oh, I've got one coming. Yeah, just release it. Yeah.